Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get Bubble Chat using an easy method. We'll explore the simple steps to transform your messaging experience. First, we'll understand what Bubble Chat is and why it enhances your conversations. Then, I'll guide you through accessing the correct settings within your preferred messaging application. Finally, you'll learn to activate this visually appealing feature with just 1 or 2 taps, making your chats more dynamic and engaging in under 5 minutes. Now, let's navigate to where the magic happens. Most messaging applications feature a clear settings icon, often represented by a gear or 3 dots. Once you find it, a quick tap will open a menu. Look for an option labeled Chat Settings or Display. Selecting this will take you to the specific area where you can customize your chat's appearance. It's a straightforward process, usually completed in just 2 simple steps. With your chat settings open, finding the Bubble Chat option is usually very easy. Look for a clear label like Bubble Chat or Chat Bubbles, often accompanied by a toggle switch. A single tap on this switch will activate the feature. You'll notice an immediate visual change in how your messages are displayed, transforming them into distinct, colorful bubbles. This instant feedback confirms the feature is now active, enhancing your conversations in a fun new way. Once Bubble Chat is enabled, many applications offer additional customization. You might find options to change the color of your chat bubbles, select different themes, or even adjust their size. This allows you to personalize your messaging experience, making it truly your own. Enjoy a more dynamic and visually engaging way to communicate, where each message stands out clearly. This simple feature can significantly enhance your daily conversations, adding a touch of personal flair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.